Respected my class in charge and my dear friends, great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Megha.
Myself Megha, I study in 8th standard. Today I am here for mastering the concept. So listen me carefully. So let's get started. Chapter 4, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. What an interesting name. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Meaning the plants which has grown naturally without any human interference. Okay students? In this chapter, we will read about some important points that are vegetation, causes of depletion, of vegetation and wildlife. Next one is distribution of natural vegetation and its types. Conservation of biodiversity and our last topic is convention. So in this whole chapter we will read about these points. So first one is vegetation. What is vegetation? The overall plant cover of an area. The overall plant cover of an area is known as vegetation, meaning the plants that has covered the fully area is known as vegetation. And there are thousands of species and of plant and animal which are found in the forest. Okay students, in next topic we will read about causes of depletion of vegetation and wildlife. There are two main causes which are that are human and natural. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs were wiped out from the surface of the earth. Dinosaurs were the extinct species. What is extinct species? Extinct species are those which have been lost forever. That's why dinosaurs are known as extinct species. And there is one another bird also named dodo. He is also an extinct species because due to the excessive hunting, that's why they both are known extinct species. Okay students?
Yes, ma'am.
And next is human made. Human made factors. Rising population. Due to the rising population, their dependence on environment for support and deforestation. Cutting down of trees on a large scale is known as deforestation. Okay students?
Yes.
Understood? Now in next topic we will read distribution of natural resources and the types of natural vegetation. So distribution of natural vegetation is on earth varies both latitudinally and longitudinally. So types of natural vegetation are forest, grasslands, desert and tundra vegetation. So first one is forest. What is forest? The forest is a place where these are dominated by trees. What is forest? Forest is a place where the natural vegetation is dominated by trees. It is also have many types that are these are evergreen forest. Evergreen forest, the forest which are found in tropical region. Which are found in
Tropical region.
the trees in this area do not shed their leaves. The trees in this area do not shed their
Leaves.
For example, sal, oak, etc. Okay, students, evergreen are the forests which are found in tropical region, and in this forest the trees do not shed their leaves. For example, sal and oak. Now, next one is deciduous forest. Next one is in this forest. These are found in the rainy and dry season, and the trees in this area shed their leaves. The trees in this area, for example, ebony, mahagona, etc. See, there is a difference between the deciduous forest and evergreen forest. Evergreen forest do not shed their leaves, and deciduous forest shed their leaves. So, be careful while writing evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Next one is coniferous forest. These are mostly found on the northern hemisphere. These are found in the
Northern hemisphere.
between 50° and 70° north. Where they are found? Between 50° and
70 north.
there are many trees which are tall with fewer branches on them. Okay, students? Next one is mountain forest. Mountain forest, meaning which are found on the high altitude of the mountain. Which are found on the high altitude of the
Mountain.
okay. These are found on the high altitude of the mountain, with Himalayas in Asia, Andes in the South Americas, and Alps in the Europe. These are some mountain names which are found in these countries. Now, our last topic is convention. In this, we will read about cities. More than 5,800 species of a plant and 30,000 species of animal are protected with flora and fauna. Flora. What you mean by flora? Different plants found in the different areas is known as flora. Fauna. The different animals found in the different areas is known as fauna. Now, UNFCCC. What is the full form of UNFCCC? U means united, N means nation, F means framework, C means convention, C means climate change and change. United Nation, framework, convention on climate change. What we read about in this? We will read about the global warming. As you've seen that there is so much global warming in the environment. How they are caused? They are caused by us, ourselves. There are some chemicals which are used in paints, refrigerator, etc. Okay, students? So student, this is enough for today. I hope you have understood this chapter. Your homework is you have to read the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day and fantastic future.